Tonight we're going to be making some gin-based cocktails, and we're going to feature this rosemary simple syrup that I made. It's just going to add a nice twist to these cocktails. So we're going to first make a gin gimlet with the rosemary simple syrup, followed by a rosemary gin fizz. So we're going to need our gin, of course, our rosemary simple syrup, some ice, a martini shaker and strainer if you've got one, and we're going to need some freshly squeezed lime juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, some club soda, and then our garnishes. So let's get started with the gimlet. So we're going to fill our shaker with ice, and then we're going to add 2 ounces of gin, and then we're going to add ½ an ounce of our rosemary simple syrup, and 3/4 ounce of our freshly squeezed lime juice. And we're going to give that a good shake. And then we're going to strain that into our glass. And we'll garnish that with some fresh rosemary. So there's our rosemary gimlet. For our next cocktail, our rosemary gin fizz, we're going to fill it with ice. And we're going to get some ice in our cocktail shaker. We're going to add 1½ ounces of gin, and then ½ an ounce of our rosemary simple syrup, and then ½ an ounce of our freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to give that a shake, and we'll strain that into our glass. And then we're going to garnish it with a fresh rosemary, a lemon wedge, and then we'll top it off with our club soda. You can see why it's called a fizz. So then we have our 2 cocktails, our rosemary gin fizz and our rosemary gimlet. Enjoy!